So we are finally here to do the next big thing in London, is visit the Lord's cricket ground. And we're gonna do a stadium tour, guided stadium tour. That's the Allen stand, and then you can see the iconic media center at Lord's. It's the Lord's Pavilion, and I'm gonna try to show you all the beautiful stuff inside the stadium. A tour at Lord's gives you an opportunity to go behind scenes at the home of cricket and experience some of the most inspiring views in sport. So you will follow me along through this tour and see some of the most iconic spots that you might have seen on TV with your most favorite cricketers. This is the original India's 1983 World Cup trophy.
Have a look at a couple of things in here, and then we'll go into the pavilion. We can go into the long room, dressing rooms, and then we'll go around the ground, go into one of the stands so we can see the ground at ground level, and go to the media centre so we can see it from above.
So here it is. This is the long room, described as the most evocative four walls in world cricket, where players walk through, as we are simulating here, right through the middle, and they go to the cricket field. The long room is lined up with paintings of famous cricketers and administrators from the 18th century to the 21st century. Members of the MCC and their guests have free access to the room. There are windows with views to the ground, and often greet Australian batsmen walking out with witticisms like "see you soon." On this point, Australian Justin Langer described walking through the long room being bear hugged by an invisible spirit.
So Tendulkar's missing from here, Ricky Ponting's missing, Brian Lara's missing, Jack Callis is missing, Cody's missing, and you can go on. Loads of top players missing from here. This is where Alistair Cook used to sit. Jimmy Anderson always sat next to Alistair Cook. But then Alistair Cook retired, and Ben Stokes sits here. So Jimmy Anderson's moved up and he's sitting next to Ben Stokes, so he's always in the era of the 1980. So he's 3 decades. Tendulkar, Ponting gets invited to join the club. Just because you play for England doesn't mean you become an honorary. You have to be invited.